How to get the best Flexispot discount promo codes in 2025. First things first is open up any web browser that you want to use on your end. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now here's the Flexispot official site. Before you choose or before you add any items to your cart and have it checked out, just simply create a new tab from your current browser and then just simply type in couponfollow.com. Now in the search bar, simply type in again Flexispot, choose on the first result. Now, before you add or before you will be purchasing the item, make sure that you have already chosen your option here from Coupon Follow so that you can use and take advantage with this huge amount of discounts. Now, to do this, just simply click on Show Coupon Code, copy it, and paste it on your payment area upon paying that specific item. That's basically it. It's how you get the best Flexi Spot discount promo codes in 2025.